State Rail Authority is a vast network that ensures the efficiency of our rail system. While most people's perception of State Rail would be in regard to passenger travel, this is only one part of an organisation that is vital to maintaining quality of life for all Australians. Essential goods such as coal, wheat, minerals and manufactured goods are all transported via the rail system. Without it, we would find it difficult to utilise our natural resources. To be competitive in the export market means relying heavily on our transportation system. So it's essential that this system is productive and rolling stock are working to capacity. The Goulburn Railway Workshops is one of the reasons the system stays on track. An efficiently managed and forward-thinking organisation, this workshop combines quality workmanship with modern facilities to provide a total maintenance and repair service. Situated in Goulburn, the workshop management and staff are also concerned that the working environment should be conducive to productivity. Pride in the workplace is seen as important for pride in work and job satisfaction. The gardens at the workshop are beautifully maintained and the workshops themselves are well planned and organised. Time, budget, satisfaction. These are the primary objectives that form the mainstay of the Goulburn Railway Workshops operation, which simply means jobs are completed on time, on budget, and client requirements are followed to the letter and satisfaction guaranteed. To achieve these objectives, there are four crucial components. They are quality. The Goulburn Railway Workshops are an accredited and quality endorsed organisation. Extensive training is a feature of these workshops. All staff are highly skilled professionals and are on the pulse point of any advancements within the industry. The skill of staff, supported by ongoing training, plus encouragement from management, means that the staff are flexible and able to utilise their skills in a wide range of applications. This means productivity. The variety of skills available and the commitment to providing a first-class service means that the Goulburn Railway Workshop can do all repairs or modifications to the product here on the premises. What this means for our clients is the convenience of a professional establishment that has the capacity and expertise to provide a total service. On the 1st of October 1992, the Goulburn Railway Workshops were awarded accreditation from Standards Australia. The Goulburn Railway Workshops was the first state rail business unit to receive quality certification. Independent certification to AS3902 indicates that all of the workshop's production, management, service systems are operating within international standards. As testament to the prestige of this achievement, the New South Wales State Premier and local member, John Fay, was present at the certificate presentation.
Thank you very much.
The event was also recognised and supported by the Federal Member for Goulburn, John Sharp, Chief Executive of State Rail, John Brew, Managing Director of Standards Australia, Dr McCluskey, as well as the Chairman of the State Rail Authority Board, Mr Landell. The emphasis that the workshops place on training and developing the skill of their staff is illustrated by the presence of the specially equipped training room. Here all staff are instructed on the importance of quality control and learn the theory and procedures that are necessary for excellence. Some of the employers have taken advantages of TAFE courses sponsored by these workshops. In doing so, improving their personal and professional skills and having the opportunity to utilise these skills in the workplace. Employers are seen as individuals who have an important contribution to make to the success of the Goulburn Railway Workshops. So you see, the opportunity and support is here for employers to utilise their natural talents and to develop skills to an exceptional standard. The commitment of the management is clearly reflected in the enthusiasm and the commitment of the staff. The workshop has been specifically developed to encompass all facets of wagon maintenance and repair. This includes stainless steel and aluminium welding and plasma cutting. The workshop handles all classes of wagons from light to heavy repairs and conversions. They even have the capability to build them. A stringent series of inspections and tests are performed during conversions. The brakes are tested and repaired, the underframe is checked for fractures, and the radial wear plates are checked for wear and fractures as well as clearance. The conversion process involves cleaning, bogie change, protective coating and stenciling, fitting and securing steps and handrails, fitting and welding sides, doors and floors. These workshops have the equipment and the know-how to handle any wagon in the system. If it moves on tracks and needs repairs or modification, look no further, this is the solution. To offer a competitive service, the staff work around the clock to meet deadlines. The bottom line is, the less time a wagon spends in the workshop, the more time it spends on the track. Extensive maintenance and costing records are kept on file. This means there is a traceable historical background for every wagon that passes through these workshops. The Goulburn Railway Workshop is a jewel in the crown of the State Rail Authority and an integral part of the thriving Goulburn community. The Goulburn Railway Workshop has a commitment for quality and results with a clear goal in mind. They've refined procedures, upgraded training methods, installed new equipment and inspired an enthusiasm and have delivered a workshop that can rightly claim to be world class.